Hello everyone. In this video we are going to do example number 4 of chapter number 1 real numbers of class 10th. Example number 4 says you are going to find out HCF and LCM of 6, 72, 120 using prime factorization method. We have already done example number 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to do example number 4. For example number 1, 2, 3, the link is given in the description. So you can see the example number 1, 2, 3 by clicking on the link. Start finding. First of all, we are going to factorize the 6. Very easy method. Let's take 2 first. 2 3 are 6. Now, prime factorization method means the factors are only the prime numbers here. And what is factor? Factor is a number which divides the given number completely. So 72, you're going to divide by 2 because it is divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility rule of 2 says? Let's revise that. The number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place. Are divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Now again it is divisible by 2, 2 18. 2 9s are. Now it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So let's start writing for 6, 2 into 3. For 72, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You can verify 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 24, 3 to 72. Now let's start for 120. Again it is divisible by 2. Now it is divisible by 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. You can check your answer. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 24. 24 5s are 120. Let's start writing in the exponential form. Only 2 one time is there. So I've written 1 time. Here 2 is 3 times. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. After that, what is HCF? HCF is the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor to the numbers. Means you're going to take the smallest power of the each common prime factor. The prime factor which is common, and that should be with the smallest power. Here 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 1. Nothing is there means it is 1. So we are going to take 2 to the power 1. Now 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1. Again you are going to take 3 to the power 1. It means the HCF is 6. Let's take LCM. For LCM you are going to take product of the greatest power of each prime factor in the numbers. Okay, you are going to take. Now the greatest power of 2 is 3. So I'll take 2 to the power 3. Now here 3 to the power 2 is the greatest here. So till 3 to the power 2. 5 to the power 1 is greatest here because only 1 time 5 is there. 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 3 to the 9 into 5. Now 8 9s are 72, 72 into 5, that is 360. So your LCM is 360 and HCF is 6. I hope this is clear to you everyone. You need to remember only one thing, that in HCF you are going to take the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Means In the HCF, you are going to take whatever the number is common here, आप उसकी smallest power लेंगे. For example, 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. This is common, and 2 to the power 1 is the smallest. 1 is the smallest power, so you are going to take 2 to the power 1. 3 is also common here, and that too 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1. Again 3 to the power 1 is smallest power, so you'll take 3 to the power 1. After that you are going to multiply. 2 with 3 is 6. For the LCM, you are going to take the highest power of the common as well as the uncommon also. In LCM, you are going to take each prime factor, not the common one only. So remember here that 2 to the power 3 is greatest. Here 3 to the power 2 is greatest out of, and 5 to the power 1. This is uncommon. See, again and again I'm telling you, for HCF you are going to take the number with the smallest power. Why? See, understand this. You can see here when I have split it, the 6, 2, 3 is 6. Here 72 I have split it, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And then 120, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So, when we were taking the HCF, we are taking only the common one. So, you can see here that only 2 is common, because the rest of the 2, they are common in 72 and 120, but it is not there in 6. In all the 3, only 1 time 2 is there. You are observing this, that 2 is common only 1 time. 2 is common only 1 time. This is the reason we are saying that again and again, take the number with the smallest power for HCF. And you can see here for 3 also, 3 is only 1 time 3 is there in 6. Similarly with 3, that it is common, only 1 time it is common in all the 3. This is the reason we are saying again and again that you are going to take the number with the smallest power in HCF. In LCM, we are taking the common as well as uncommon both. So common we are taking 1 time. That's why 2. That's why we are writing here 2. Then we are taking the common in 2 numbers also. If you remember your class 6, class 5, when you were taking your LCM, you will be able to understand in a better manner that while taking the LCM of the 3 numbers, you were taking the number which is common in 3. After that, you were taking the number which is common in 2. And after that, you were taking the number which is not common. Even it was uncommon, then also you were taking in LCM. So here 2 is common in all the 3. So I've taken 1 time. 3 is common in all the 3. So again we will write here. Now we will take the number which is common in 2 numbers. So 2 and 2. You can see here the 2 is common in 72 and 120. So again you are taking 2. Again 2 is common here. Again you are taking 2. Now 3 and 5 both are uncommon. So you are taking this 3 and 5. Now if we will convert it into the exponential form, you can see here 2 3 times. That's why I have taken 2 to the power 3. 3 2 times. That's why I have taken 3 to the power 2. And 5 1 time only. I hope this is clear to you now, that why we are saying you again and again, take it, HCF take the smallest power, LCM take the highest power, and then uncommon also.